Hi, my name is Franca and I'll be leading you through practice today. Come into a seated position with our legs crossed, either on a bolster or a block, lengthening your spine and opening up the chest, shoulders, and lifting the neck and the head to find comfort and also some space. Our intention for practice today is to plant the seeds of spring. As we have been sleeping, nurturing, and focusing on taking care of ourselves during the winter, we now are moving into a warmer season where we can put together our seeds and we can begin to plant them. Let's bring our hands up to our heart space, and if you'd like to join me in a round of Om, please do so. Let's take a breath in and breath out. Let's take a breath in, and on the breath out, we can chant Om together. Thank you, everyone. Make yourself comfortable on your mat. You can either take a lying down position or a reclining fish. Take the position that brings you most joy today as we walk through our meditation together. Nice big breath in and breath out. And maybe two more of those. Just feeling into the body, into the belly, and letting go of the back, releasing onto the mat, and feeling the openness, feeling the space, finding how you've reached the mat today, looking into yourself and understanding if you need anything. If you need breath in any other area of your back, please take care of that now. As we walk across the bridge from the outside landscape to the inside, let's take a moment to reflect on the season spring and what it means to us. What are those feelings? What do we notice about spring? It's the joy in the light, maybe. It's the colours in all the flowers. It's the trees. It's the fragrances. And we notice different shapes, heights, widths. Everything seems to have woken up. Everything seems to be moving at a faster pace. Let's think about, are we ready for spring? How do we feel about it? Now, as we move to this new beginning, we can see nature changing. And perhaps we can feel this change of energy within ourselves. Can we reflect upon this? Take a big breath in and think about this energy moving up and down your body, scanning just that little bit more, tweaking and thinking and letting the sounds from the outside now dissipate as we notice the breath coming in and out. During this stillness of winter, your roots have become stronger, connecting your mind and body and breath. Now we move, open, and we stand up, noticing this inner peace that winter has given us. Feeling the heart open, allow the warmth to penetrate, the sun to be more present, and for us to be more present in the sun by walking, planting, nurturing the things around us. Maybe the animals we live with may feel different as well. The season of the earth are not so unlike the nature, the ebb and flow itself. Energetically, we take from the seasons and the expansion. This gives us a power to learn and reflect that we really are one with Mother Nature. Can we breathe in and out with this knowing? Is there anything else we need to ask before we take the next move? Perhaps we're not ready. We're not ready to let go and to move into the sunshine. Perhaps we like this hibernation of winter that gives us strength, time. We feel empowered by that. Know where to go and know where to be. Reading. We've created our own little worlds. And perhaps we can look at it like we can take a fragment of that and we can still take that with us. Perhaps not the whole part, but just a piece of it. Perhaps we can go and read in the sunshine, under a tree, where the breeze is just that little bit warmer. New projects that we take on during the winter time. Planting some flowers and trees in the garden space. Perhaps we learn something new, a new language. These are all things on offer to us. And we are lucky to have the seasons that create this flow. Months after months, we move further and then we come back. Take a moment to reflect. Take a moment to listen. Can we notice if we're feeling a little bit warmer? What do you notice? What can you feel? When you're ready, place your left hand over your heart and your right hand over your left. And think about this time. Think about this season. And think about the movement. Take this warmth with you. Or if you know that someone may need it more than you, please dedicate this energetic moment to someone. Slowly make your way up to your seat, rolling onto your left side very gently. And come up to a seated position or remain where you are. We bring our hands into Anjali Mudra, to our heart. And together we say, Namaste. We bow to each other. We thank each other for taking the time and for being present here today. Thank you.